Yeah.
All right.
So I'm super excited.
Okay. Well, good. Good.
You're
Okay.
bunting. No, I'm excited about your
He's not
to
here
the
today.
day. Oh,
He he came, he ate, and he left. I've been watching for him since early this morning.
so give me the actually we'll make this a little bit of a test. So I'll record this and tell me the log that you kept and the
Well,
bunt.
I've kept a calendar on a regular calendar on a Audubon calendar since
Oh,
2008
oh,
and recorded when my migrants arrive and approximately when they leave. And when I saw this guy yesterday, I pulled that calendar out because I had it kind of standing by because I knew the ovenbird. He'll be here in the next 10 days. So I looked, and sure enough, 1 year ago, on the 19th last year, a painted male was singing at the feeder. And so he came back, and I think he's migrating someplace farther south. He's going to Central America and just needs to stop for some groceries.
gotcha. So you think he was a one night visitor?
I think so. I think
Excuse
so.
me.
Because I've been watching for him all day. He's just not been here.
And how many painted buntings do you get per year?
I usually have four. I
Four?
usually have four males and four females.
Oh,
Three or
four
four
couples.
pairs. Yeah, yeah.
And the guy, and then when he came last year, did he stick around? Or
Nope.
no? Groceries.
Yep.
Well, that's nice.
For a little rest, some fresh water, and some groceries.
Yeah.
Now, how he knows where the hell Palm Shores Boulevard is from flying up 300 feet in the air, I have no idea, but he does. So, isn't that
Well,
cool?
you said you think you're on a map somewhere,
Well,
right? So,
no, you're right, exactly. I guess in the Depression, the hobos had a certain sign that they put on the fence of somebody that would be kind. So I should look for that little painted bunting hobo
oh,
sign somewhere.
really? But that was an actual thing with humans.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh,
Some kind of a signal
right.
to their fellow hobo guys that there was a nice lady here who'd feed you out of the kitchen door.
Wow, that's
Yeah,
cool.
yeah, and that is cool, isn't it?
Yeah,
Yep,
we had that today. It's an app called Couch Surfing.
that's right. Same deal.
Yeah.
Same deal.
Oh man.